how to create a mask transition. Step 1. Pick 2 of your favorite photos. Import the first photo into InShot. Tap PIP and import the second photo. Press autofill to fit the screen and add a keyframe at the start of the clip. Tap Mask and add a linear mask. Then drag it out of frame to reveal the second photo. Then scroll to the next second and add another mask. This time pinch it diagonally and drag the button to blend the 2 photos. Keep repeating this process until you're satisfied. And here it is, a trippy transition for your favorite photos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.